the same old cap each day, a little faded, frayed with a little gray. He taught us how to catch and throw. In his heart, that's where we'd grow. His laughter echoed through the park, underneath the skies, even when it was dark. He'd cheer us on no matter what. His love, the bass we'd never cut. Take me out to the ball game, Dad. The best coach that we ever had. You showed us how to stand so tall. Your love's the greatest gift of all. He built a field out back one spring, said dreams are born in simple things. We ran the bases with hearts so free, how our home felt like a real family. And when the innings stretched too long, he'd tell a joke or sing a song. His kids a game he loved to play. He used to say, play it fair and see